What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Wonder Off-Road. Today, we're checking out a piece of gear that's changed the way I pack for trips. The TRAVOCA Rigel 60 Dual Zone Ecooler. If you've ever dealt with soggy food, melted ice, or warm drinks halfway through your trip, yeah, this one's for you. The Rigel Ecooler is not just another 12-volt fridge. It's loaded with premium tech, runs super quiet, and keeps your food colder way longer. So let's check it out and let's see what makes this one a standout. First off, the build quality of this thing is a standout. It's got a clean aluminum body, wood paneling, solid, not plastic like some other 12-volt fridges out there. The size is super manageable, 30 inches long, 19 inches wide by 19 inches tall, and it weighs about 63 pounds. So it's not light, but it's still easy to lift in and out of your vehicle. It has a IPX5 rating, so it can handle dust, splashes, and those unexpected weather changes we all get hit with when we're on the trail. But it's essentially built for people who like to adventure outdoors. So here's the cool part. The Rigel 60 has a dual zone cooling zone, so you can run one side of the fridge and the other as a freezer, or both at the same temp. Cold drinks on one side, ice cream on the other. Yes, you can really chill out with this fridge. And you can control it right here from the display or using your phone using the TRAVOCA app. The app's clean and super easy to use. Perfect for when you're relaxing by the fire or wanting to monitor it while you're traveling. Performance-wise, this thing rips. It can drop from 79 degrees all the way down to 32 degrees in just 20 minutes, which is impressive for a 12-volt fridge. And it can go all the way down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can keep your frozen food solid. It uses a Toshiba upgraded compressor, and that's a big deal. It's quiet, efficient, and uses less power. Now the noise level is around 48 decibels, and which is less than a conversation. Hear that? That's as loud as it gets. Pair that with vacuum insulated panels, and it keeps food colder up to 60% longer than other 12-volt refrigerators. So if you're off-grid, that's a big win and a big energy savings too. Out on the trail, this thing's awesome. No ice runs, no water pulling up at the bottom, no food floating around in the cooler like soup. So you get 100% of the space dedicated just to cooling. So you're now wasting half your space on ice. Also, the 60-liter model is perfect for family excursions or week-long getaways. It can feed a week's worth of food, drinks, and some frozen stuff without any problem. And we found with the 1500-watt power station, I'm getting about 18 hours of runtime, which covers me for overnight camping without having to recharge. The app's actually one of my favorite parts. You can control both zones, switch between eco and max modes, and just keep your eye on the temps. If you're trying to save power overnight, eco mode slows the compressor and extends runtime. Super handy when you're relying on a power bank. It also shows voltage readouts, temperature readouts, and alerts if something's off. So you're not guessing what's happening inside your fridge. All right, let's break down what I love. The dual zone setup, fridge, freezer, or both, that is really handy to have. It's also super quiet and energy efficient compressor, meaning I can adventure for longer using less power. Fast cooling and long hold times, meaning this thing really gets to work right away. Finally, also no ice, no mess at all, so it's all usable space. On top of that, the quality is very durable and trail ready. But here's what can be better. At 63 pounds, it's not light, but that's a trade-off for a quality build. Also, at $900, the price is definitely premium. But again, this is not your basic fridge. So after a few trips with the TRAVOCA Rigel 60, I'm seriously impressed. It's quiet and efficient, dual zone that gives you a total control of how you store your food and drinks. If you're done dealing with ice and want something reliable for your overland camping trip, this is a solid upgrade. It's one of those pieces of gear that just makes life on the road that much easier and your trips that much more memorable. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment if you've used one of these e-coolers. And don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews just like this one. Also, in the description below, we will have a link so you can pick up your TRAVOCA cooler today, guys. All right, guys, I'm Robert with Wonder Off-Road. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can't go wrong with that.